G'day, it's Chris O from Down Under. I've been a professional tiler for 35 years and this is the 6th day of this bathroom makeover. It was all stripped out on Monday. I started it last Monday and it's been a week. So we repaired all the floor because it rotted out, and waterproofed it, and now I'm nearly at the end of the tiling. I'm doing these two niches, one over here and one over there. They only take me about an hour each to do. I'd like to show you how I do them, and then I can have a good tidy up and have an early day. Tomorrow I knock out all the clips and grout it up in silicone, which I'll be showing you how to do as well. But the bar on my cutter is getting a little bit dirty, so just give it a bit of a spray with some oil. Wipe it clean. It's just that's my ringtone for more work coming in. Next week I'm starting another bathroom, which I'll go through the stages right from the beginning and show you again. I roughly average a bathroom a week. That's what I specialise in these days. I used to do all sorts, which I'm experienced in all sorts of tiling, but I like to start or stay with bathrooms these days. Anyway, that was just a prop to hold it up. I don't use all the fancy tools. To me, I'd be a whole day setting up all the fancy tools. Like that work's a treat, and it's done it. I've cut a piece in 2 seconds and popped it in, and it holds up my tiles. A lot of times I don't use a tape measure. I've always got a piece of tile, especially for, say, around the top here. It's quicker and more accurate to use a piece of tile like that, and I mark it because sometimes this is a little bit up and down. The ceiling is never exactly level. Sometimes there's a bit of a twist in this cornice. Most of the time people like to take their cornice down and I square set to the ceiling. Sometimes, occasionally, the cornice gets left, which is all right. I like it. I like it better with the cornice out and it's square set like that. But anyway. I always seem to end up with a pencil in my mouth. I'm an ex-cigarette smoker, so it's just habit, I suppose. But the best thing I ever did was give up. Which was about 10 years ago. Never looked back. Cool. That'll do for a square. It's about 32 degrees today, so it's fairly hot. I'll be able to throw all this scrap out soon after I've done these niches. And we're away again. Have I got it around the right way? Yep. Okay, we'll try that. Oh, nice one, Charlie. I'll just, where is my tape? I'll just use a bit of tape to help hold things slightly. I use tape a lot, actually. Oh, nice. Right, just move that along a tad. Next week when I show you another bathroom, the principles are always the same. Different bathrooms, but you'll get to recognise that I do the same principle. You know, like with the flush shower, walk-in shower, do it all the time. Hobs in Australia are out. But I always use aluminium and the water. I don't know why my camera was overheating, but it stopped. Anyway, yeah, it's bloody hot, but not that bad. So there is the niche I've just done. I think it's pretty cool. And I'm sure the owners will think it's pretty cool once they come home tonight. But yeah, it's taken an hour or less. I'm going to head off for lunch now, but then I'll come back and I'll do that one. That's going to be over the bath. Easy peasy. Yo. Back from lunch. We'll bowl out this other niche and that'll be it. Then I can have a full-on clean up and get it all ready for tomorrow, grouting and that sort of thing. Easy peasy. Before lunch I just put my back piece in. So I'll get 4 of those. Where's my piece of timber? There, right. Bottom. Left. right. Top. And cut them all to the mark.